Hello everyone. In today's video, we'll solve this word problem based on the concepts of ratio and proportion. Now, as per this problem, the three interior angles in a triangle are in the ratio 1 to 2 to 3. And we have to find the measures of these three angles. So the first thing we need to analyze is this given ratio. So we are given that the measures of these three angles are in the ratio 1 to 2 to 3. Now the numbers 1, 2 and 3 do not represent the values of these angles. This represents the lowest possible or the simplified ratio of the values of these angles. So that's a very important concept we need to understand and memorize. That these are not the values of the angles, but just the simplified ratio of the values of these angles. Now, in order to find the values of these angles, we'll have to use a variable for the common factor for the ratio of these angles. So we'll write a let statement for that. So let x represent the common factor for the ratio of the angles, the three angles. So if x is the common factor for this ratio, that means the smallest angle is equal to 1x. So we have to multiply each of these numbers in this ratio by x to get the value of the angle in terms of x. And the middle angle is equal to 2x. And then the largest angle is equal to 3x. So these are the values of these three angles in terms of x. Now we are given that these three angles are interior angles in a triangle. And we know that the sum of interior angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. So that will be our equation in this problem. So our next step is, so 1x plus 2x plus 3x equals 180. So this is the equation we have to solve to find the value of x, which we will then use to find the values of the three angles. So the first step here is to combine the like terms. Now in this equation, 1x, 2x and 3x are like terms because all of them have the same variable part, which is x. So in order to add them, we'll have to add their coefficients, which are 1, 2 and 3. So 1x plus 2x plus 3x is equal to 6x. So our next step is 6x equals 180. We can isolate x by dividing both sides by 6 because 6 is being multiplied to x. So the 6's on the left side cancel each other out. So now we can continue here. So that means x is equal to 180 over 6, which can be reduced to just 30. So this is the value of x, the common factor for this ratio. And now we'll use this value of x to find the value of the three angles. So the smallest angle here is equal to 1x. So we'll just sub in x as 30, which is equal to 30 degrees. So that's the value of the smallest angle. Now we can find the value of the middle angle. So the middle angle or the second largest angle will be 2 times 30, which is equal to 60 degrees. So that's the value of the middle angle. And then for the largest angle, we use 3x. So 3 times 30, which is equal to 90 degrees. So these are the values of the three angles in this triangle. Since it's a word problem, we can also write a closing statement to summarize our answer. So the three angles are 30 degrees, 60 degrees, and 90 degrees. And we can put the degree sign on them. So I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.